Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a claim on Zelle. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Making a claim on Zelle involves reporting unauthorized transactions, scam or issues with the payment. Since Zelle does not provide its own purchase protection, you'll need to go through your bank or credit union that offers Zelle services. So the first thing that you can do is identify the type of issue. Unauthorized transaction, scam, additional payment are some of the type of issues. What you need to do is identify it and then contact your bank or credit union. Since Zelle operates through your financial institution, you'll need to file the claim with your bank or credit union directly. Number third is request a refund or an investigation. Ask your bank to open an investigation into transaction. If the issue is related to unauthorized transaction, bank is typically obligated to investigate and may reverse the charge if they find evidence of fraud. Document the issue. Keep a detailed record of all correspondence with your bank. If you sent money to a scammer, or if you are scammed while using Zelle and you paid something you never received or sent money to a fraudster, contact your bank immediately and explain the situation. File a formal fraud claim through your bank. Some banks may offer fraud protection for some cases like this, but it depends on circumstances and their policies. Follow up with Zelle support. While Zelle itself cannot reverse or handle claims, you can still reach out to Zelle support team to explain your situation. Additional steps if necessary: file a police report, report the scam to the Federal Trade Commission, file a complaint with the Internet Crime Complaint Center, and then follow up with your bank, which typically responds to a fraud or unauthorized transaction claims within 10 business days. During that time, follow up with customer service. If you don't hear back, be persistent if needed. And that's basically how to make a claim on Zelle. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.